Thank you, Miss Hammond.
Thank you.
Sure.
We're just about, we got the water turned on, so we'll be ready to light any minute.
Okay. It's about the same size.
Yeah, pretty much.
Taller enough.
Oh.
You have that measuring tape right here around here somewhere, didn't you? That black one?
Yeah. Might be in my truck. Got that shot back. It's like little warning signs like, hey man, you're not old, but you're not young. You would think they would have a lot of different varieties, you know, like water heaters.
Yeah.